Hello, and welcome back, everyone. It is me, Unique Man Out, and I'm here with another unboxing video. Now, you may be thinking, Unique, why are you doing it in your weapon showing area and not in your room? Well, it's because we got a big boy box this time. Yeah! So, this box comes from the Sword Guy, as you may know him from my other unboxing videos. Link to his store down below, and he has a special sale going on where he has a new item called the Captain America Shield, because it is the Captain America Shield. It's for $120, and you get some other pretty awesome stuff along with it. So that's what this box is, and I'm going to show you what I got. What you may get something different, some similar stuff, depending on if you ordered from him before, which you should, because he has awesome stuff. And I'm gonna stop talking, get right into it. Oh, I am using my Transformers knife to open this up, which I believe I also got from him. If not, it's from one of the other weapon stores I frequent. Oh, bro! Staples and tape. Fuck you! Ooh, I can see the outline of the shield. It's gonna be amazing! Okay, we got some swords along with the shield, so let's grab the swords and knives and stuff. Okay, so I've already got this one, but it's cool, and honestly, I don't mind because my other one is semi-broken. I believe it's called a kukri blade. I'm sorry if I'm mistaking it for a different type of blade, but it's very cool. This bit on my other one is broken, this metal bit, which this one seems to be loose, but it's just held by glue, so don't expect it to keep for that long, but it's still cool, very awesome. Yes. Gotta set it over here. Trash on this side. Yes. Weapon number 2. Ooh. Completely unknown. Ooh. As we can see, it's one of the lighter blades, kind of like my black sword, my blue sword, and my rainbow sword. And this time it's a sword. I'm getting all the rainbow colors. Yeah. Yep. Oh, yes. Very light, very smooth. Yes. Very red. Like the blood of my enemies. God, I hate foam. It just gets fucking everywhere. I'm trying to grab a shield without pulling out a whole lot of the. There's more swords in this, so. Yeah! Let's grab the kukri blade. Opening it with my legs. Damn it! I pulled off one of the metal bits. One of the accessories. Now, I am usually a right hand, but since I grabbed the shield with my right hand already. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, I'm gonna have so much fun with this. Yeah. Oh, and I should explain this. During this sale, it's all of the items you're seeing right now in this video is, well, the total price is over like $300, but right now you can get it for 120 Canadian dollars, which is like less than like around $100 US. So I would take this deal out of it as soon as possible. Trust me. It's bloody amazing. Yay! Ooh, another weapon that I got from my other clients. Sword guy just gave me, but it's still a cool sword. It's still a cool knife. So I accept the duplicate. I was gonna try to do like piles, but it's just getting everywhere now. Now, I don't know the exact name of this knife, but I call it the music knife because it does this. So, I very much enjoy this knife. It's just looks very cool knife. Ah. And then, weapon number 2 that I grabbed at the same time is let's find out. Is this like a wand? I think it is a wand. Yeah, it's like a bone wand or something. I'm honestly generally confused and amazed by this thing at the same time. Like, just look at it. God. Expelliarmus! Fucking cool. I believe this is from his Harry Potter bottomless box thing that I got from this box. He probably just merges other boxes with this box, and honestly, that's cool. I was never planning on buying anything from the Harry Potter bottomless box, but this makes me want to. Maybe. Got a beauty. Okay. Oh, that's what these are. Okay, now that explains it. It's a little like keychain wand form of what I just got. Now that explains what those are. I got similar things like this from the other weapon guy. That explains so much. It's Harry Potter shit. God, why did I say that before? What else? Ooh, little Pikachu thing. Eh. Pika, Pika. I believe that's it. So yeah, fucking cool ass shit. Yeah, I'm gonna put this on my correct arm this time. So, thing for your forearm, and then, so, on the other side of the shield you got the strap, and then the handle. Yeah! Yeah! Cool ass shit this box had. Yeah! America! Fuck yeah. Oh, and it's very light too. It's not heavy at all. I'd honestly say 5-ish pounds, give or take. Not heavy. It sounds badass though. It honestly just sounds like a like a trash can lid, but oh, I just don't even care. Ooh, I bet if you scraped the edge on someone's body, it would maybe slice them open. Sadly, I don't have any enemies, and we can't do purge stuff, so killing people is not a good idea for now. But yeah, this is awesome. Link to the Sword Guy store down below. If you go to the store and this sale is still on, I honestly recommend buying it, and maybe when you do buy it, leave in the message below that the person who showed you or recommended you to buy this was me, Unique Man Out. And on that note, see you next time. Stay unique. Bye.